फ्रेंड्स, क्रांतीवीर वसंतराव नारायणराव नाईक शिक्षण प्रसारक संस्था नाशिक संचलित माध्यमिक विद्या मंदिर शिवरे तालुका निपाळ. I am science teacher Sonia Ariel. My guide Honorable Headmaster Bhabad E.K. Sir. Today we are going to learn about science and technology section first. Subject Chapter 3 Chemical reactions and equations. Subtopic Balancing a chemical equation. If we consider the chemical equation AgNO3 plus NaCl is equal to AgCl plus NaNO3. In this equation, there is AgNO3 plus NaCl which is product, while AgCl and NaNO3 which is reactant. Number of atoms of the products and number of atoms of the reactants as shown in the following table. So we consider a table. There is element reactants left side, number of atoms, products right side, number of atoms. Ag, number of atoms in reactant is 1 while in products is 1. Nitrogen atoms in reactants is 1, in product is also 1. Oxygen, the number of atoms of in reactant is 3, in product is 3. Sodium, the number of atoms is 1 in reactants and is 1 in products, and oxygen, the number of atoms of is 1 in reactant and in product which is 1. In this equation, it is seen that the number of atoms of the elements in the reactants in this equation is same as the number of atoms of those elements in the product. Such equation is known as balance equation. If the number of atoms of each element is not the same on the two sides of an equation, it is called unbalanced equation. Means both sides atoms are equal. We see next topic, steps in balancing a chemical reaction. A chemical equation is balanced step by step. If we consider word equation, sodium hydroxide plus sulfuric acid is equal to sodium sulfate plus water. This equation is word equation. When we balance this equation, the following steps are considered. Steps first, write the chemical equation from the given word equation we using chemical formula. Therefore, NaOH plus H2SO4 is equal to Na2SO4 plus H2O. We using chemical formula sodium hydroxides, NaOH, sulfuric acids, H2SO4, sodium sulfates, Na2SO4 and water H2O. Second step, check whether the equation is balanced or not by comparing the number of atoms of the various elements present on the two sides of the equation. If we consider the equation NaOH plus H2SO4 is equal to Na2SO4 plus H2O, we consider the table elements, reactants left side, products right side. Elements sodium, in reactant number of atoms of sodium become 1 while in product 2. Oxygen, in reactants 5, in product 5. Hydrogen, number of atoms of hydrogen in reactant 3 while in product 2. and sulfur, number of atoms of sulfur in reactant is 1 and in product in also 1. Means in this table the number of atoms of sodium in reactant is 1 while in product is 2, as well as number of atoms of hydrogen in reactant is 3 while in product is 2. Therefore, the equation NaOH plus H2SO4 is equal to Na2SO4 plus H2. It is not balanced. Means it is seen that the number of atoms of all the elements on the two sides are not same. That equation is not balanced. Step 3. It is convenient to start balancing an equation from the compound which contains the maximum number of atoms. Moreover, it is convenient first consider that element in this compound which has unequal number of atoms on two sides. The chemical equation twice NaOH plus H2SO4 is equal to Na2SO4 plus H2O. In this equation, there are two components Na2SO4 and H2SO4 which contain the maximum number of atoms. We compare the number of atoms of NaOH and Na2SO4. Following table. You see following table. Number of sodium atoms in the reactants in NaOH and in the product in Na2SO4. Initially, the number of atoms of sodium in NaOH becomes 1 while in the products number of sodium atoms becomes 2. For the equation balancing, therefore we multiply 2 for sodium, therefore this number of atoms of sodium becomes 2. It should be remembered that the formula of compound cannot be changed while balancing the number of atoms. It means that to make the sodium atoms in the reactants as to the formula NaOH cannot be changed to Na2OH. Factor of 2 will be applied to NaOH. Apply the factor 2, the product is 2O, therefore the balancing equation become twice NaOH plus H2SO4 is equal to Na2SO4 plus twice H2O. It is seen that the numbers, all the elements are equal on both sides, means number of products and number of reactants. In this way, the chemical equation is balanced. Thank you.